Mastering reporting verbs. Agreeing and disagreeing. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on mastering reported speech. Today we're diving into a really exciting topic: verbs for agreeing and disagreeing. We often need to report what someone has said in a conversation, and knowing the right verbs to use when reporting agreement or disagreement can make our English sound more authentic and precise. Before we jump into the main topic, let's do a quick refresher on what reporting verbs are. Reporting verbs are used to report or represent the words or actions of another person. They can help to add depth and texture to your English, allowing you to express the specific tone or nature of the speech you're reporting. Now, let's get to the heart of today's lesson. There are several reporting verbs that we can use when we want to report that someone agrees with something. Some common examples include agree, concede, acknowledge, and admit. Agree. This is the most common verb used to report agreement. It's simple and straightforward. Example: John agreed that the proposal was fair. Concede. This verb is used when someone reluctantly accepts something as true. Example: even though he didn't like the idea, he conceded that it was the most practical solution. Acknowledge. This verb is used when someone accepts the validity or legality of something. Example: she acknowledged the importance of daily exercise. Admit. We use this verb when someone confesses to something, often reluctantly. Example: he admitted that he had made a mistake. Just like with agreement, there are also several verbs we can use to report disagreement. Some common ones are argue, deny, dispute, and reject. Argue. This verb is used when someone expresses a different opinion or belief. Example: she argued that the plan was not feasible. Deny. This verb is used when someone refuses to accept the truth or existence of something. Example: he denied any involvement in the scandal. Dispute. We use this verb when someone challenges the truth or validity of something. Example: they disputed the accuracy of the report. Reject. This verb is used when someone refuses to accept, believe, or consider something. Example: she rejected his claim that he had been working all day. And that wraps up our lesson on verbs for agreeing and disagreeing. By using these verbs appropriately, you can accurately and vividly express someone else's point of view in reported speech, which can be especially useful in both written and spoken English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to incorporate these verbs in your daily conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.